on my postal break, and I thought I'd show you the action from yesterday. If you have a look here, the majority here was 8-1. Look at that. But the RSI, it was also up. You would never have guessed it. It was definitely going to go up, but it didn't come down to here first. I always expected to go down. It didn't actually make it to this point here. It made it halfway, but that was only in the morning when the spread was really, really large. It didn't make it to my top point, but it would have made it to this point here. Yeah, but I always take the best trading option, which is the min there. Now, if we look for today, we can see again the majority 6-3, but 3 of those use a very similar method, and I may change the program to even this out a little bit. You can see the RSI is 68-61, so it was 68 here, and it's 61 for this day. So that means that the RSI, the relative strength, has gone down. The bulls have the market, and so definitely I wouldn't take much notice of this 6-3 here. In fact, if we run through it, we've got Heikin-Ashi saying going that way. The highest body, lowest body, the high-low all follow the moving average. You could probably just use one of those there. So the moving average is that, but the other two, Heikin-Ashi and the RSI, say going down. Now, in actual fact, this indicator could be changed to give a more even, by simply having 3 of them. And I think I will change that. So there we go, learning something all the time. Now notice too, this hasn't wicked up at all. I expected this to maybe come up to at least one of the, maybe touch this this order block here, but it hasn't touched it at all. In fact, if we have a look at that, yeah, that order block there would just be under my predicted wick height, which I would have thought it would have come to. It could still do it in London. It could still come up here to that position there before going down. So that's actually not a bad trade. That is not a bad trade at all. And you can see here in Asia it's already starting to move down. So yeah, look, I know I said I wasn't going to trade today, but I'm going to put that on. Just it's worth a try actually. So yeah, all I do to put that trade on is I just go down here, and you can see here with my equity of only $155 here. Yeah, I'm looking at 2% is simply 0.01 lot size. In fact, $3.10 is 2%, and I'll be risking $3.25, so a little bit more, but never mind. That's all you can do. If I run it, there we go, and there's the trade, and we'll see what happens. Now I could move this down a little bit. In fact, why not? It's only a few pips here, and it would make sense to move it down. I mean, it could go halfway between these two. Yeah, that's actually risking this here. No, I'm going to leave it where it is. If it's going to go up, I'm hoping that it'll go up, hit that, it might even come to the middle here, and then head back down. And that's what I'm hoping for, and probably won't do it. My guess is it won't today. My guess is it'll react off this moving average here, which is the 21, and just continue to go down. That would be my guess. But current market entry trade is, yeah, the odds then 0.6 to 1. So no, I'm not willing to risk that. So no, market entry is definitely not on. And so that's the trade we've got there. All right, well, I don't think it'll happen, but you never know. Here we go.